Welcome to the course, Android Reverse Engineering from Scratch, where you will learn Android reverse engineering in 3 hours. So here is an overview of the course. We will start off with the course prerequisites, where we will cover both the skills needed to be able to follow this course, as well as the technical requirements. Now, even though we tried to deliver a hands-on course, we still had to provide a short section with a brief introduction to Android. We will try to keep this as short as possible, but it is good to cover the foundations to understand how Android works, and more importantly, how Android apps work. There are significant differences between Android apps and apps on a more traditional platform like Windows. Here we will briefly cover some of these differences. The rest of the course is more hands-on, and the students are expected to follow and recreate what is being demonstrated. We start off by setting up the lab environment. Here we will go through the installation of all the tools that will be used throughout the course without going into too much detail about their features. We wanted to get this out of the way in order to avoid spending time going through the installation processes mid-exercise. Once the lab is complete, we will go through the process of developing a basic Android app. We understand that there are many students that may not have development knowledge, or else they do have scripting or development knowledge, but perhaps on other platforms and in other languages. The idea here is not to provide a full development course. However, we believe that taking you through the process that a normal app developer or even a malware author goes through when developing their app will provide a better overall understanding of what we need to look for as reverse engineers. After developing a basic app, which will in fact be a malicious app, we will change our hat and go through the analysis of the malicious app through the eyes of a reverse engineer. Here we will use the tools that we installed during the lab setup to analyze the malicious app. Finally, we will take the techniques that we learned during the analysis section and apply them to a real-life ransomware case. Moreover, we will use the analysis results to mitigate the harm caused by the ransomware. Here we will be creating a decryption tool that decrypts the files encrypted by the ransomware.